Hello, welcome to Skool of Wood. Firstly, I'd like to say that I'm not a carpenter. I don't claim to be a carpenter. This is my first YouTube venture, so I'll be doing quite a bit of stuff coming up in the future, but I'll touch on that a little bit more later. I'm a complete novice to YouTube, to cameras. I don't have a high-tech camera or anything. I've just got some little smart camera. I've got no background in videos or editing or anything like that, so please bear with me whilst I get the hang of it. It will improve with time, I would have thought, because I'll look into it a little bit more, but for now it won't be a fat lot, to be honest with you. So what am I doing the channel? I built my workshop around about 6 months ago. I did all the plans and everything, and I was going to do it with breeze blocks. I was even contemplating a timber build, but it was running up to quite a few £1,000. Didn't really have the money to spend a few £1,000 on the workshop and then also buy some new tools, because of stuff that I wanted, stuff I need. So I decided to build it out of pallets. Now there is a little slideshow with pallets. You can see them going together. It's not the full build, because this was never my intention, to be honest with you. This came about because of my brother-in-law. When we were doing the build, he was like, "Oh, you should start doing YouTube, do some YouTube videos," and since I spend a lot of time on YouTube anyway, I thought, why not? So that's where we are. So this whole workshop, I'll show you a bit of the workshop in a bit. It's not ready at the moment, but this whole workshop cost me around about £200. I think it's built with around about 16 to 20 pallets. Some reclaimed timbers for the ceiling joists. It's got a 18mm floor, 18mm ceiling, roof. The roof liner is some old flooring. It's completely watertight. I've just recently finished putting down some old carpet tiles that were being skipped. The roof insulation, a hall has just been renovated, so that hall is the ceiling that was done there. I managed to salvage the offcuts of the ceiling stuff. It's quite thick insulation. It's around about 75mm, which isn't far off building regs for an actual house. The doors, as you can probably see behind me, they were salvaged from some hall that was being renovated, and the doors were being changed for aluminium. So I commandeered the doors. The shop is 3.6 metres long by around about 3 metres wide. That's external. Internal, it's around about 2.7 by 3.3. So it is a very small workshop. That is going to be the main focus of the channel, is working within such a confined space. Obviously it is difficult. I could have built it bigger, but it probably would have took longer, and it probably would have been more of an eyesore. As it stands, it's not actually all that noticeable. Videos I'll be working on in the future, as I just touched on, it will be about working in a small space. So what things will I be doing soon? I did a tool fair a couple of weeks ago. I went to the FFX tool fair in Kent, so I might do a little video about that, how that went, little items I bought. I didn't buy anything expensive from the tool fair, but I did buy some stuff. I'm also going to do some unboxing videos. I've recently bought quite a lot of stuff. In fact, the spare room in my house is quite overloaded at the moment. So yeah, I'm looking at doing some unboxing videos of all the stuff that's in there. Plus I've also got some new stuff in here that I have had to unbox simply because I just needed to use them for little projects that I've been doing. But one of the main things is obviously within this space I am going to build an all-in-one workbench. Now the workbench that I've designed, it's nearly finished in the design stage, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to get in here a little bit more cleared before I actually start building and videoing that. So that'll probably be like a playlist series where there'll be, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 videos maybe, but that will hopefully incorporate my new table saw, my new bench plane, my new miter saw. I'm going to try and get the compressor into it. I've just bought another router that can be adjusted from the top, so hopefully you get a router table section in there. What else have I bought? I bought a new little katsu trimmer. It's the same as the makita type trimmer, so I'm hoping to do a little review on that, because I know it's quite interesting for a lot of people to see that one in action and see how it compares up to the makita. I do have the ability to get my hands on the makita, as my brother-in-law actually has the makita and all the possible attachments and everything, so I can run them side by side and see which one performs the best. As I said, I'm going to be doing the unboxing videos. So yeah, I think there'll be probably 4, 5, 6 of those, and a couple of review videos. Other than that, there's another couple of little projects that I've got in mind, mainly for storage in a small workshop. Obviously wall storage is quite a big thing. Wood storage is another thing. I'm going to be looking at my wood storage because I'm not happy with the shelves that I put up yesterday. I've got some of those 2 slots shelving. I've tried to use those, but I'm not really convinced by the configuration of where they are. But yeah, so basically that's the plan. We have probably 10, 12 brand new items, so just be aware that they're on the way. If you want to be part of the journey and you want to know when the videos are coming on, what you can do is you can like, subscribe and hit the bell. I know you probably get told that within every single video that you watch, but it will encourage me a little bit more to actually do the videos if I know people are watching them, if I know people are enjoying them. Any comments or suggestions, helpful ones preferably, yeah, please feel free to comment. I think that's about it for now, because I've been rambling and I've been saying quite a bit, so thank you to everyone for watching. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Here's a little tour of the shop. Those are the roof tiles that you can see. They're just offcuts. Yeah, this is my wood storage. I'm not really happy with that. You can't really see a fat lot from under there because everything is covered up. So yeah, okay.